Great to be here at the opening of another community battery under our Albanese Government's Community Battery Program. A community battery can come along and help people with solar panels, but also people without even solar panels, which shows the mix of technology that we are introducing with Endeavour Energy to help families save on their power bills, reduce their emissions, because what's good for the planet is also good for your pocket.
This is a win for communities across Western Sydney. It means they're going to be able to get the benefit of solar power. They're going to be able to lower their energy bills, and anyone can sign up. You don't need to have solar, you don't need to own your own home, and you can participate in the program to lower your energy bills.
Batteries are important. Household batteries, grid-scale batteries, but community batteries. And I'm very pleased that this is one of the community batteries that we're rolling out across Australia. Thank you to Endeavour Energy for partnering with the Albanese Government on so many community batteries across New South Wales to help hundreds of local families with their energy bills. Not solve all the problems, but make a meaningful contribution.
Partnerships are so important as we go through this process. We can't do it alone. We need smarts of all of industry and tech partners that can come to the fore and help us deliver this greener, more affordable energy transition. And anyone can sign up. So please go to the Endeavour Energy website and register for the program.